Hello students, this is experiment number 2 of digital electronics, that is implementation of various gates using universal properties of NAND and NOR gates and verification of truth table. Okay, so here we will design only 3 gates. Those are NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate, which are known as basic logic gates of digital electronics, and we will design those 3 gates using NAND gate and NOR gate. Here I have already drawn the logic gates. See, this first one is NOT gate using NAND gate and NOR gate. Here if you have one input A and if you have two input NAND gate, then you can connect those two inputs to this input A and the output will be A bar. Okay, what means this means if two input of this NAND gate is same, then the output will be inverted inversion of the input. Okay, similarly for NOR gate also, if two inputs are same, then the output will be inverted version of the input. Okay, so this was the basic gate, that is NOT gate using NAND gate and NOR gate. We can design this gate here in the digital IC. What you will do, simply if you have one input, this is one input, you are designing NOT gate here, so you are shorting these two terminal. Whatever you will give input here, the output will be opposite of that one. See, here the input is 0, that's why output is 1. If the input is 1, output is 0. This was nothing but NOT gate. Okay, now we can design NOT gate using this NOR gate also. Simply you short these two terminals for these two inputs and you can get the output. Here 0 is input, 1 is output, 1 is input, 0 is output. So this was nothing but your basic NOT gate. Now we will see how we can design AND gate using NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, if you are having two inputs A and B and you are having two input NAND gate, then you are getting A B bar. If you are giving this A B bar input to one NAND gate, means the same input you are giving to two different inputs of NAND gate, then you will get AP. That means that is AND operation. So now we will see that this is one input A, this is one input B, so this will be AB bar. If this AB bar input is given to another NAND gate, the output will be nothing but AND operation of the two inputs. See, I have given 0 0 as input, output is 0. As you know, you have already learned the truth table of AND gate. Whenever both the inputs are 1, then only output will be 1. See, whenever both the inputs are 1, then only output will be 1. Whenever at least one input is 0, then output will be 0. See, okay, I am making both the inputs as 1, then only output is 1. Okay, now we can use NOR gates also to design this AND gate. Here we need 3 NOR gates, so we will do connection for 3 NOR gates. So this is the truth table of AND gate. Here you can see if both the inputs are 1, then only output will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. Here we have used 3 NOR gates to design that AND gate. Here we can cross check if these two inputs, here you can see these two inputs are 0 and this output is also 0. Now I am making one input as 0, now also output is 0. I am making another input as 1, now also output is 0. If these two inputs are 1, then only output is 1. That means this gate is working as AND gate now. So next is OR gate. OR gate using NAND gate and NOR gate. So to design OR gate, we need 3 NAND gates or 2 NOR gates. Okay. So this is the logic. This is the logic circuit of OR gate. Using NOR gate, we need 2 NOR gates. First two inputs are given to first NOR gate, then that same output is given to two inputs of another NOR gate. Here I have already designed the circuit. These are two inputs. These inputs are given to one NOR gate, and that NOR gate output is given to another NOR gate, and both inputs are sorted. Then the output of this NOR gate is the result. That means OR operation of these two input. Okay, now we will cross check. Whenever any of these two inputs each one, then this LED should glow. See, this one is 1, then LED is glowing. This one is 1, then LED is glowing. Whenever both are 1, then also LED is glowing. But whenever these two inputs are 0, output should be 0. So this was the truth table verification of this OR gate. Okay. Hence, experiment number 3 gets experiment number 2. Okay, experiment number 2 gets over. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.